Let us solve 23rd problem. It is a simple simplification problem, right? You should know the rule of that is Bodmas, right? Bodmas rule you should know, right? First of all, what this is bracket, then off means multiplication before division, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction you can do simultaneously. In this case, let us write down 6 divided by 6 plus 6 into 6 minus 6. First operation, so you need to check, that is order of operation is very important, order of operation. Now here first I will finish this. So this 6 divided by 6 is nothing but 1 plus 6 into 6 minus 6. Then the next step is what? We need to go with the multiplication, that is 1 plus 6 6 are 36 minus 6. Now, so addition and simultaneously you can do 36 plus 1 37, thus minus 6, which is going to be 31. The answer here is C.